Today we're going to learn about the sun. You have to gather a few things to do our activity: a scissor, a pencil or pen, and some glue. And then go to the Dakota Science Center website under Girl Scouts and open the lesson about the sun. The sun is actually a star. It's a kind of medium-sized star made up mostly of hydrogen. It isn't really a solid or a gas. It's something called plasma. It has different layers, just like the Earth does. At the very center is the core, and at the outer edge, what we can see is called the photosphere. Then surrounding it is kind of like a halo, which is called the corona. Next to the core is the radiative zone, which emits radiation or light that is sometimes 1,000,000 degrees. Then the next level is the convection zone, which photons move through from the hottest to the cooler, out to the end of the sun. And then, of course, at the outside is the photosphere. So we're going to label those parts of the sun. At the center, we said, is the core. So we write core. Next to the core is the radiative zone, the red part. So if you don't want to spell that whole thing out, just write RZ, radiative zone. Then the next level out, convective zone. The light energy is convected through that zone. So we'll write the CZ. And then at the end is the visible part of the sun that we see. That's the photosphere. Sphere means circle or ball. Photosphere. Then you have the layers of the sun labeled. The other activity we're going to do in there is some images taken by one of NASA's missions that takes pictures of the sun. NASA gathers pictures and information about the sun in the SOHO and the STEREO missions. In fact, the pictures that you're going to cut out, all of these are actually from pictures taken on SOHO or STEREO. This green is a part of the sun with an image taken in extreme ultraviolet light. This picture is in visible light, and the blue here is in ultraviolet light. So what you'll do is cut these out, each piece, and then there's also a printed page with a background. So you cut them out, and then use your glue stick to put them on the background picture so that you have a picture of a sunflower.